To start the installation and synchronization of ShipStation to MRPeasy, first go to your gear icon in your ShipStation account in the upper right. Then on the left, click on Account and go down to API Settings. Under there, scroll to the bottom and you'll see the API Keys title. You want to generate new API keys by just clicking the button. Once you've done that, copy the information here because you're going to need this later when you go into MRPeasy. Next, go into your MRPeasy account, click on Settings, and then to Integration. Scroll down to ShipStation and connect to ShipStation. Here is where you'll enter your API key and the API secret. Click Save, and in the background the two systems will sync. You will process the shipment in MRPeasy in the normal way. If the item hasn't been picked yet, then you'll be set to new, but if the item has been picked, then it'll be set to shipped. All the line items on the order will get carried over to ShipStation, including the item name and the quantity that's getting carried over. Realize if the shipment status is new, then ShipStation is going to have an on hold status versus if MRPeasy is shipped or ready for ship because it hasn't been picked yet, then ShipStation will have the status of awaiting shipment. Once you have the shipment prepared and ready to go in MRPeasy, then click the button up here to add it to the ShipStation program. Once the shipment has been synced, go over to ShipStation. You may have to refresh your screen to see the new orders. Check off the order, and then from here you can print labels, tags, and select the ship from locations, the services, and the rates directly in ShipStation. The shipping department can take care of all these issues for you, which greatly expands the capability in MRPeasy. A couple of footnotes about updating and deleting shipments between the two programs. If a shipment is modified in MRPeasy, then after saving changes, you can press the Send to ShipStation button to update the order in ShipStation. Changes, however, cannot be made if the ShipStation order has the status of canceled or shipped. If you want to delete a shipment in MRPeasy checks to see if it had been sent to ShipStation earlier. If yes, then MRPeay asks if you want to delete it in ShipStation as well. If you select you wish to delete it in ShipStation, then it will be canceled in the other program. However, remember, ShipStation cannot cancel the order if the status is canceled or shipped.